Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. So today we're going to walk you through on how to install your vertical shear blinds. The package should come with brackets, mounting screws, the cassette headrail with the wands, and the fabric labeled with the first and the last panel. And now we're going to install our mounting bracket on the wall. Please ensure that the brackets are installed at the correct level relative to each other. And now that the brackets are installed, we can take our vertical shear cassette and mount it on the brackets. With the vertical shear headrail facing towards us, we find this lip up top. This lip should rest on the bracket lip like so. Please ensure this is hooked on properly on both sides. And now we can take our headrail and gently tilt it like so and push up until you hear a snap. With the headrail installed, the wand should hang like so. In this instance, we're showcasing a center split installation, which will have two wands hanging. Regardless of the split type, the fabric installation should not change. With our fabric stack on the table, I will walk you through how the fabric goes to the corresponding link on the vertical shear. In this case, we have a center split, which means the fabric is divided into a left and a right side. While looking at the shade from the front, the right side has the first panel, like so. And as we flip through, we find the center right panel, which would be the last panel for the right side. Then we find the center left panel, which would be the first panel for our left side. And the last panel would be the leftmost panel on the left side. On the left side here, we have an end panel, which you can see has a double plastic clip, versus on the right side, where it only has one clip. This can help you distinguish what side goes where. The side with the double clip always goes on the end. Looking at the shade from the front side, this would be the right stack. Now we grab our first panel and remove the sticker from the first panel side. The thicker side of the plastic would go in the first link of the headrail, and we snap it in like so. To continue forward, we take the link from the first panel and clip it on to the second panel. The second panel will have these pegs, which will click right into these slots, like so. Once all those four pegs are clicked in, we take the whole panel and click it in onto the second link, like so. And this would give you your first complete panel. Once the right side is done, we can jump onto the left side. The left side has a center left panel. So we take the sticker off. The side with the double clip goes on the first link of the left side, like so. And this clip is hanging for the next panel. Once we're at the last panel, we have to make sure that the last clip is a double plastic clip, and we mount it like so. And finally, we have all the panels up, and we have to make sure that the panels are sitting at a proper height. To do so, we can bring the shade in like this. Any minor adjustments can be made to make sure the fabric is not caught anywhere. Once that's done, the shade should be operable. By twisting, you should get a blackout effect, and by opening, you should get some light filtering effect. And by operating it like so, you get full visibility.